phenomenon of Jews hiding their Judaism in some form or another can be traced throughout the diaspora of the Jews. It is a phenomenon that you could even find its roots, and many people do, in the biblical story of Esther, who had to hide her identity while in the palace. And we have many other precedents for this. But what I want to focus on in these sessions is the phenomenon of crypto-Judaism that develops in late medieval Iberia. They were there before any of the rulers, the present rulers of Spain. They were there before the Christians, the Visigoths. They were there before the Muslims and the Romans and anyone else who might have taken over Spain. So the Jews of Spain had a sense of deep rootedness, sense of nobility, and this informs the history that we're going to study. Because when you reckon with the fact that so many people chose conversion over martyrdom, you can understand that part of that has to do with the fact that this was a shock to their system.